Welcome to another informative episode on White Davy Gardening and Worm Farm. In these two milk jugs that you see here, I have sweet onions that started to grow in my cabinet, and so I decided to plant them to see what will happen with them, if they're actually going to grow to the point where they either produce seeds or if I'm going to be able to harvest from them. And here I have another jug that I have filled with some of my own potting mix. I have some water. I have some salad mix or salad blend, lettuce seeds, and I have royal red lettuce as well. So I'm going to be experimenting with these lettuce, since as they're leafy greens, they're not flowering plants, so they don't require special grow lights. So I'm going to be experimenting with them to see if they can be grown indoors without grow lights. I'll just be putting them on my window. So I'm just going to be using a very small amount of seeds, since as it is a small container. So to one side I'm going to be putting these mixture of seeds, and then to the other side I am going to be putting the royal red. I guess these can be grown as, what would that term be, microgreens. So now I'm just going to wet these down. I get this idea of leaving the top onto the base of this jug and use it as a greenhouse from Tracy over there on Getting Clean on the Prairies. So it's going to be acting as a greenhouse that is going to help with the germination and in trapping heat as well. So I'm just going to put this on the windowsill. And then I'm going to see what's going to be happening with that. Also this year I want to, for next growing season, I want to attempt to grow sweet potato, and so I got myself a jar with water, just water, nothing else in it. And this sweet potato is the yellow type, and I got that from the Jamaican store over here. So on the sweet potato, these tiny little buds here, they're going to be sending off potato slips, and then as those slips grow, I'm going to cut them off and put them in water so that they will root, and then I'm going to be planting them in some soil. I can use the leaves as vegetable for now, since as it won't be able to produce fruits while it is indoor. It won't be able to produce any sweet potato while it is indoors. So I can use the leaves of them, if it is a lot, as vegetable. And as soon as January comes around, then I'll be able to plant the slips and hopefully by the end of the growing season, I'll be able to harvest some sweet potatoes. So this is my experiment that I am doing. Sweet potatoes usually take around 6 months to grow to the point of maturity. And since as our growing season here is 3 to 4 months, so I would have to get it started in January in order to be able to harvest anything. But I cannot be starting the slips then. I have to have the slip ready in January. So that is why I'm starting the experiment now, because we have 2 months in order to get as many slips from this as possible. The good thing with sweet potato slip is that the longer it gets, the more pieces you can cut it up into to provide you with many sweet potato plants. So yeah, from this potato alone you can get 15 to 30 slips, and then you can cut those up further to get more slips. So let's see how that experiment goes. If you find this video informative, please like, share, leave a comment in the section below, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, as you can see outside, we have our first snow on Monday. So yeah, that's it. Have yourself a wonderful day.